Hello friends, welcome to my channel How to Do This. So today we are going to make a very healthy and delicious yummy snacks that even the children and the adults like to eat. That is veggie bread pizza. So guys, after eating this veggie bread pizza you will definitely forget the one available in the market pizza which children often demand. So now let's begin with the recipe. So the ingredients that we need for this recipe are these guys. So we need to chop all these fine. So the first is finely chopped carrots, then onions, one finely chopped capsicum and one tomato. All these I have taken in equal quantity, one each, and this is semolina and water according to the mixing status, and of course the bread and the spices that we are going to add up in this. Believe me, friends, this recipe is so healthy for the kids also, as they generally avoid eating carrots. Now, let's take a bowl and mix all these one by one. I'll keep some semolina aside so that we can set the quantity first. Now, slowly adding the chopped capsicum, then finally chopped tomatoes. Friends, you can also add more spices to it, like the seasoning that you get with the pizzas, or if you want to add chili flakes, if you're not giving this dish to the children, that you can also add some chili flakes to it, or and also some more spicy flavors you can add on. And here finally adding the chopped carrots, and now it's time to add some spices to it. So firstly we will add salt according to our taste. You can see it's about 1 spoon of salt, and then we will add some chili powder. I'm not putting it much because I have to give this recipe to kids also. Then adding some coriander powder. It actually gives a very great flavor, and the one kasuri methi we called it. And now I'm going to add water and mix all the spices. Guys, add the water slowly and do not make it too thin paste or too viscous also. Just keep on stirring and mix the mixture very well so that you get a fine paste. I have generally uh, thought that we should add some more vegetables to it so that it becomes healthy for the kids also. And I am going to taste a little bit so that to make it perfect taste. Now let's apply it on the bread. Here you can see I have applied it a very thin layer to the bread, and side by side I have heated my pan with in a low flame, and the breads are ready to go on the tawa. Now let's put some oil, grease the tawa finely. For the first time you have to grease a bit more in the first batch of the bread and keep them upside down so that the batter can rest on the tawa and the oil will hold it and roast the breads finely. Friends, you can add 4 pieces of breads at a time, but actually I prefer to keep 3 at a time so that we can rotate it very well before any breakage of the bread. So just heat the breads on medium flame, not high flame, not low flame, for the better texture. And for that side we can press a little. Do not press very hard, otherwise the stuff will break on. Just keep pressing gently and leave it to set. For the time being we can set our another be prepared. Okay, so now we can also grease the above side of these breads with some oil so that the oil reaches to the down layer and also the bread absorbs the oil. We can make that a bit more soft, or if you want you can also add butter to it. I was not having, so I am applying oil to it here. Now we will check after 5 minutes that if we are getting a light brownish color, but it was not, so we will let that get heated for another 2 to 3 minutes. Friends, this will take about 5 to 7 minutes at least for the first batch. and for the rest it will just take 5 minutes to get ready. Now, yes, we have got the texture, the light brownish color. You can also make it more crispy, a more darker brown color. You can keep it for that for some more time. And now it's time to let the other side of the bread also to be cooked and get that brown texture to make it more crispy. Now it's been 5 minutes more, so we are going to check the back side. Yes, it has got the same texture that we want. I generally prefer more crispy bread and my kids prefer a bit soft bread, so I make mixture of these. If you want to make even, you can add some more butter. And now our breads are ready. So friends, I hope this delicious recipe like I'm enjoying, you will also enjoy. So tell me how was yours and see you in the next video and your new answer how to do this.